Welcome to MTS Technik workshop. My name is Kasper and in this video I will present a coilover suspension kit designed by us for your Volkswagen T5 or T6. Note that this kit is compatible only with cars in which knuckle is mounted directly on the strut housing. Up front we've got two threaded shock absorbers finished in a gold zinc coating for durability, corrosion resistance and style. Both struts feature a hexacle adjustment nut designed by us. Hexacles, thanks to the use of a small clamping screw, significantly enhance the ease of height adjustment. We use springs made by a German company, eibach. For these kits, we went with dedicated springs with progressive characteristics up front and linear characteristics in the rear to ensure maximum comfort without sacrificing driving precision. Front springs are also paired with helper springs for added preload. Rear suspension features our signature yellow sport shock absorbers. They have shortened stroke and increased damping force compared to the original shock absorbers, so we are confident in saying they are tailored for lowered suspensions. Our kit also includes dedicated bump stops and dust covers on front struts and black anodized aluminum height adjusters for rear suspension. Our kit also includes an adjustment wrench, 2 MTS Technik stickers and any necessary documentation such as installation manual and TUV certificate. Thanks for watching.